What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the DIY Beard. My name's Jez and I'm the man behind the beard, and in today's episode it's just me and the XV, which means only one thing: we've got a bulk build episode coming. Now if you are new to the channel, please go and hit that subscribe button and punch that bell notification, because we are getting content out to you every single week, and hopefully it's making your lockdown a little bit more bearable. We've currently got going on the XV950 build. We are going to be shortly introducing the GSXR refurb, and then we've got a detailing series going on as well, including much more to come later on down the line. But what are we doing in today's episode? Well, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an update on the front fairing. I know I've been mentioning that over the past couple of weeks. I did put some pictures on my Instagram as well. So we'll have that update, and then realistically what I want to do is I just want to do a little bit more work on the rear end of the bike, just to make it look that little bit meaner and tidy it up a little bit more as well. So for those that have been with the channel a while, I did say in episode 1 that we would look to remove the rear tail light altogether. Because this one is quite large and it's not really fitting currently in with the overall theme as to what I wanted for the bike. However, I'm not able really to find a viable solution currently in lockdown that I like to replace that light. Now, I did have in mind an LED strip, which is still a possibility later on down the line. But do you know what? I quite like that rear light as well. The fact that it's LED, it's big, it's bright, it's there to keep me seen. That's what it's there to do. But I really don't like that chrome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to whip it off the rear mudguard. I am hoping to God I don't have to pull the mudguard off again for what feels like the millionth time already since I've had the bike. I've got a bit of vinyl wrap left, so we're going to see if we can wrap that up and just get it matching the rest of the bike, all blacked out and looking a lot meaner. So let's get some tools out and let's get cracking for today. So that's the rear tail light removed. Now there's two things I want to point out. First of all, Yamaha connectors are literally the worst connector I have ever used in my entire life. They are so fiddly and hard to unconnect. I suppose that's really one good point. They're not going to come loose. But Jesus Christ, Yamaha, sort yourselves out. That took me at least 5 minutes to try and figure out. However, it's off. And secondly, I mean, most people customise these types of bikes. So explain to me, if the camera will focus, why exactly we have the world's biggest hole in a rear mudguard. Could you not have figured something else out rather than drilling a massive hole in the mudguard for you to fit that rear tail light? At all. No? And that's a problem we have. Yes, this tail light is huge, bulky, could look a lot better. But unless I decide to fill that hole and completely respray and redo the back end, there's not a lot I can really do with it. And considering we're already in May, I want to get the GSXR build sorted. I haven't really got time with figuring something out. And I'm just starting out really. I haven't got to weld it. I can't weld. So we need to figure something out. So let's get this wrapped. Enough of my ranting against Yamaha. Let's just make it look cool. So that's the back end of the rear bike tidied up. I think you'll agree it looks much better and much in keeping with the rest of the bike. Now it's blacked out, so I'm really impressed with that. And you'll also notice as well that the bike had got obviously a little bit of surface scratches on there from, you know, I've had this rear end off now probably seven or eight times, with the rear lights, all of that. So, you know, if you're not careful with things and put soft paint work, it's going to get scratched really. So it was a great opportunity to get the Renew out again, give that a buff all over, and it's looking brilliant again. That's all we've really got time for in today's episode. Oh, I did tell you that I would update you on the fairing. So, unfortunately, we're not going to be getting the fairing for the front of the bike. I did order a gauntlet or quarter fairing, whatever you want to call it really. That was coming from China. Like I said in the last video last week, we had a problem with the courier. They said when they'd got it to their main depot to ship it overseas from China, that it was too heavy. Contacted the seller. The seller said that they would arrange for it to be returned to them, and then consequently sent over to myself. Hadn't heard from them for a couple of weeks, so thought, you know what, I'm going to chase it up myself. Gave them a message last night, only to be told that it's gone missing in transit or for whatever reason, but I am going to be getting the money back. So I currently can't find the fairing that I want for the same price because I got an absolute steal on it. So I think I'm going to wait, especially until lockdown's over, because we're all finding it extremely difficult to get parts at the moment. We're having to wait a number of weeks, and in some circumstances months, to get certain parts. So I think for now we're going to wait, yeah. Unless you guys have got an idea as to what I could do. Like I said, the overall vision was that we would have a club style, so I'm thinking either a quarter fairing. I have seen the crater fairings, and if I could get an absolute bargain on a crater fairing, I'd snap it up without a shadow of a doubt. It's just, at the moment, they're a little bit out of my price range. So like I said, that's it really. That's it, a quick short video. Please do give this video a like if you have enjoyed today's content. And like I said, if you haven't already done so, please do go and hit that subscribe button. It really does help the channel out. And currently, as of today, which is the 12th of May 2020, got 175 subscribers. Woo woo! Well done me. Massive thank you guys for everybody that's joined me so far. I really want to push this channel and keep going forward, and you guys are really motivating me to do that. So from deep inside my heart, thank you very much, and I hope that we can continue together along this motorcycle journey. Right then guys, enough of me waffling on. It's about time that I went and got something to eat. Thanks for watching. Catch you again. Bye now.